Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Mohammad Hasnan and welcome back to another video. So in our today's video, I'm going to tell you about 10 facts about the human body which will amaze you. Today's video is going to be very interesting and factual, so don't forget to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Fact number 1 is about epiglottis. So epiglottis is a leaf-shaped valve which is made up of tissue and cartilage, which is located in your throat. Sometimes you might think that we eat and we breathe with our mouth and it also passes through our throat. So doesn't the food goes in our trachea instead of going in the esophagus, or doesn't the wind goes into the esophagus instead of going to the trachea? So this is where the epiglottis comes. The epiglottis acts as a door or a cap for the food pipe and the windpipe. So when we eat food, the epiglottis, which is leaf-shaped, covers the trachea, which prevents the food going into the windpipe, means into the trachea, and it leads it into the esophagus. The epiglottis is a very essential organ without which it would be very hard to eat food, as the food can go in your windpipe, which can cause choking, and choking simply causes death. Fact number 2. Did you know that the brain takes only 2% of our body weight, but it uses 20% of our body energy, body oxygen and blood? So brain is a very essential organ without which we can't live, and even the heart functions because of the brain. The brain sends signals to every body part, to every organ, which makes them work smoothly. So the brain only takes 2% of the body weight, means it's very light, but it takes more energy. The brain needs oxygen and blood, so it takes 20% of our body oxygen and blood. Fact number 3. Have you ever wondered how much blood vessels are there in the human body? Yes, you might think that there are a lot of blood vessels. So yes, you are right. There are a lot of blood vessels in the human body, and this fact will surprise you that how much are there. The blood vessels are in the entire human body are so long, and there are a lot of them, that they could circle the Earth's equator 4 times, which is almost 60,000 miles. So now you can imagine how long the blood vessels and what's the quantity of blood vessels in the human body. Fact number 4 is about saliva. So saliva, which often known as spit, is there in your mouth. So the saliva contains a lot of special enzymes which are helpful to break down the food when you chew it. So saliva becomes an essential part of the digestive system. But have you ever wondered that how much saliva does the body produce? So if we count it according to the quantity, so our body produces almost 1 liter of saliva per day. So now you can imagine that how much saliva is produced by our body and how important is it in the digestive system. Fact number 5 about tongue. So did you know that the tongue is covered in 8,000 taste buds, each containing 100 cells? So until now you might be thinking that there are some taste buds in the tongue because of which you can taste. So yes, there are taste buds in your tongue through which you can taste different tastes, for example bitter, sour, sweet, etc. But there are 8,000 taste buds, and each of the taste buds contains hundreds of cells. So if you multiply the amount with the cells, you can wonder how much cells are there in the tongue itself. So in conclusion, the tongue contains a lot of cells and buds which make it a very important organ in tasting. Fact number 6. So you all might know that heart is the most hard-working organ and the most hard-working muscle in the human body. The heart works non-stop. The heart doesn't stop. Even if it stops for 1 minute, then you can't live. So you can measure the size of your heart using your fist. So if you open wide your fist, that's the size of your heart. So the heart weighs about 300 to 450 gram. The heart beats over 100,000 times per day, and it produces 1.5 gallons of blood every minute. 1.5 gallons of blood is produced every minute, not every day or year. So now you can imagine how important the heart is to make blood, to produce blood. So as the brain needs blood to work, so the heart is the organ which is producing it. So fact number 7 is about the digestive system. So did you know that the digestive system converts the food we eat into glucose, which is a sugar, and then the amino acids are converted to make a protein, and then the fatty acids in our body are used to make up fats. So protein, fats and glucose, means carbohydrates, are the essential part of nutrients in our body. So fact number 8 is about the body's defense mechanism. So there are many threats to your body, and the biggest threats are pathogens, bacteria, viruses, which can come in your body and cause many illnesses. So your body is not weak. Your immune system is not weak. Your body has many defense mechanisms which act in case of a pathogen or bacteria. So the first basic defense is mucus. So you might wonder that why is there mucus in our nose, or why is there airwax in our ears? So the mucus is very important in our nose. When we breathe in, the air doesn't only contains oxygen, but it also contains many other chemicals or harsh air, or even germs. So the mucus traps all the germs, and it sends only clean air inside our lungs. So this is very important. If clean air doesn't goes inside your lungs, it can cause illnesses and respiratory infections. So mucus plays an important role. The second body mechanism, defense mechanism, are tears. So tears have many types, but the main function of tear is to clean your eyes. So sometimes your eye can get germs inside. So tears clean your eyes from these germs, and the germs get out of your eyes. The third body mechanism are acids. So there is a hydrochloric acid present in your stomach. So as I told you in my digestive system video that the stomach contains hydrochloric acid. So your stomach contains the hydrochloric acid to kill any germs or pathogens or even bacteria in your food. So as you know that the food stays in the stomach for 4 to 5 hours. So during this process, the acid, the hydrochloric acid known as the stomach acid in the stomach, cleans the food from any bacteria or germs. So the fourth body mechanism is skin. So your skin acts as a barrier for the body, and it prevents anything going inside your body. So this was all about the body's mechanism. Now fact number 9 is about organ systems. So there are a lot of different organs in the human body which do different tasks. So when a group of similar functional organs come together to do a specific task, it is known as an organ system. So there are different organ systems in the human body, among which some of them we have already discussed. So examples of organ systems in the human body are circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, nervous system, which is related to your brain and nerves. Then we have the musculoskeletal system, which controls the bones and the muscles. Then we have the reproductive system, and then the immune system. So after organ systems, fact number 10 is about stomach. So stomach is a very vital organ in the digestive system. And did you know that the stomach can hold 1 liter of food? Yes, this is the only amount your stomach can hold. So you shouldn't eat too much, as your stomach will take time to digest too much food. Overeating causes diabetes and also circulatory problems. So you shouldn't eat too much. You should eat according to your stomach. a stomach can hold 1 liter of food. So, whenever you are eating, notice how you get burps. A burp means that your stomach is full. So, after you get a burp, don't eat that much. Stop when you are half full. So, these were 10 interesting facts about the human body. I hope so that you find this video very factual. If you did so, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel so that you can get further interesting videos, and also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also get these interesting and fun facts. Thanks for watching.